Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to talk about how to do a simple animation where the ball jumps or the circle jumps to like different text or however you may use it. We have to use some guidelines. So I let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you grab some guidelines, four, place them. Alright, just adjust it a little tiny bit. Now you put another four guidelines going across. Alright, we are going to grab a circle. We'll crop it right there. Add position. Click the second keyframe. Move it up. Add position again. Second keyframe. Move it a little back down. Another animation. Move it back up. Another animation. Like position. Move it back down. Another position. Move it up. Another position. So now we created this effect. This animation. I'm sorry. Now we want to group it. Alright, position. Once it's in a group. Move it a little across. Alright. Boom. At another position. At another position. Don't try to do this without these guidelines. I've tried it. And here we go.